I went on a surf trip to Morocco with a few friends, but this isn't your typical surf film. In fact, it's not even a surf film at all. I make a lot of videos. It's my job as a documentary filmmaker to capture adventures exactly like the one I'm on. However, just like any job, I can get pretty overwhelmed. I get stressed and burnt out when I put pressure on myself to go bigger and do better than what I did before. I'm often pushing myself to plan a more adventurous trip, share a more unique story, or develop creative cinematography techniques to capture the places and people I interact with. And while I'm so thankful to do what I do for work, sometimes I need to pause, take some time to breathe, and get in the water. So, for the sake of preserving my joy for life outside of filmmaking, I'm challenging myself to put the camera away while I'm on this surf trip in Morocco. I came here to ride great waves and be present while I'm surfing with my friends, something I can't do if I'm on the shore while filming them surf or swimming in the water with my camera. Unfortunately, that means the video ends here, but if you do want to see a fun surf film about surfing in Morocco, you can check out the video series I made while I was here last year with the Goat Surf Club about getting trapped in Morocco. Hopefully that'll keep you occupied until I'm back here filming surfing again. What you're seeing now is a small portion of what this experience was for me. This trip was also trail runs through rural villages and late night conversations with close friends. It was nose riding on 3-minute long waves, followed by blissful walks on the beach back to where the wave broke so I could do it all again. We ate so much bread, drank nearly endless amounts of tea, and spent hours laughing and sharing stories over chicken tagine and couscous. We barely used our phones because nothing on there could be better than what we were experiencing in real life. We watched the sunrise and sunset nearly every day from the water as we tried to ignore the exhaustion that came from those long surf sessions twice a day. This is the only clip I got of any of us surfing all trip. It's Ben from the Goat Surf Club starting his mile-long wave to the end of the bay. Epic. Now that this trip is over and we've returned back to our normal lives, I wanted to make this video to remember not just what Morocco looked like, but what it felt like for me. Oh, cool guy, Ben. Yeah, cool guy, man. Cool guy, cool guy. Oh! Until we're off surfing somewhere new, wetsuit or board shorts, longboards or short, I hope you enjoyed a piece of what this week meant for me. To conclude this video in the most wholesome way, I'll leave you with this final adorable clip I got of my friend Ben Chin playing with this cute cat at the hostel. Alright, now it's the end. Thanks for watching.